Okay, they found the Christmas FUGGLERs. How cool is that? Do they have all three? Look, they have a Gremlin, they have a Gizmo FUGGLER. Oh, is there a striped one as well? Oh, they're amazing. Oh, I probably have to buy those. Is there one missing? Oh, there he is. There's the extra one. The reindeer. Okay, I have to buy all those. Oh, man. How cool are they? Okay guys, we are back. So here we go. Unboxing. We have the 3 Festive Fuggs and we have the 2 Gremlins. So we start with the Festive. We go for the gingerbread man. Just show the box. I'm sure they're all the same. Get ready for the big reveal. And there he is. Gingerbread man. So used to have adoption certificates for him, but not anymore. Open with caution. So there's that little guy. He was tagged back. Adorable. Look at them teeth. There's his buttonhole. Okay, there's number 1. Number 2, the Rudolph inspired one. Here he comes. Oh, I forgot to say Walmart exclusive. These Festive Fuggs, the Christmas ones. This one's super fluffy. Does he have antlers? Yeah, he has little antlers. Little red nose. Little arms. Not really any legs, but he's super soft, that one. There's a button, does the same. So he's got the same button. Okay. This one's probably my favourite because he looks different. I mean, this one looks a bit kind of... These two are similar to Uggs. The regular ones. This one probably is going to be as well, but he looks more snowman-like. More what he's supposed to look like. Well, I don't know, the others look like what they're supposed to look like. I'm just waffling, so ignore me. Dun, dun, dun. What is this? Oh, it's a scarf. He's got a little scarf on. I thought it was supposed to be snow or something. Oh yeah, this is the same shape as some of the big one I got. Look at them teeth. There's his nose. Look at his little scarf. Adorable. Yep, they all are the same. You think they have different coloured buttonholes? Buttonholes. So there are the 3 Christmas ones. And now we do the Gremlins. Who are we going to go for first? Gizmo. Don't feed him after midnight. Don't get him wet. Don't put him in the sunlight. Wham, wham. A mouth. Amazing. What's this? Nothing. Weird. I've never seen one of those in the box. Look at this guy. That's amazing. He's got teeth, like little teeth at the top. Hilarious. I mean, you can tell it's Gizmo, can't you? So you got the same pink. That one cracks me up. Okay. And last but not least, we have Stripe. Everything the same. Oh. Here we go. Last one. Number 5. Oh, he's amazing. Oh, look at that. How cool is that one? Oh, he's so good. Is he like weird brown underneath? It's almost like, I mean, this one's completely FUGGLER-like, and he's even got like sharp teeth. How good is that one? Amazing. So, there they all are. There's the Christmas ones. And here's the Gremlin. The Gremlins are absolutely so good. Well, they're all good, but I mean, that was mouth. Very cool. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.